The top focus this evening, the Karnataka High Court has referred to a larger bench the CBI's petition challenging the state government's order withholding a sanction given by the earlier BJP government to the CBI to investigate a disproportionate assets case against Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar. In November this year, the Congress government in Karnataka took the decision and declared that the sanction given by the earlier BS Yediyurappa government was not in accordance with the law. While the CBI took over the investigations after the sanction from the earlier BJP government here in 2019, 4 years hence, it's yet to file a charge sheet. State government have taken back criminal cases, remember, in other cases that were given to the CBI. But this one has an extremely strong political dimension to it. This is what DK Shivakumar had to say about those developments.
CBI ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹತ್ತಿರ CBIನವರು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ
ಸರ್. ಮೂರು ಡಿಸಿಎಂಗಳಿಗೂ
ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು.
Well, that was a categorical statement from the Deputy Chief Minister there. Remember, this could end up emerging into another confrontation between the state government and the CBI as we head into 2024 parliamentary elections. Joining me now is NDTV's Arvind Gunasekaran, who's been following this case very closely. Arvind, while as you point out, there have been cases before of the state government rescinding their sanction to the CBI to investigate a matter, this one could eventually end up being an enormous political face-off.
Yeah, Veera, if you could, let's put this case in context. There are two kind of consent that a state government gives to CBI to investigate a matter. One that's called general consent, and second is a case specific consent. And this particular case, DK Shivakumar's disproportionate asset case, is not a general consent case. This was a case that was specifically transferred by the state government to the Central Bureau of Investigation, because CBI has been interested with investigating only a central government employee. But this particular case pertains to a state government official, because DK Shivakumar is a state minister. So CBI could not have investigated this matter. So the state government, the then BJP-led government, passed a cabinet resolution, and then a notification was issued. So thereby they transfer the case from state government to Central Bureau of Investigation. That was a cabinet decision. Now the Congress government headed by Siddaramaiah again convened a cabinet meeting. Thereby they withdrew this particular case that was handed over to CBI. That's the genesis of this case that has now moved to Karnataka High Court. So today CBI has also moved the Karnataka High Court challenging the second decision of the Karnataka cabinet headed by Siddaramaiah to withdraw this particular case. According to CBI, because the Central Bureau of Investigation has already completed half of the investigation in this particular matter, thereby the Karnataka government could not have withdrawn this particular case from the hands of Central Bureau of Investigation, wherein Central Bureau of Investigation is citing two judgments of the Supreme Court. One, 1994 judgment in the Sikkim Dorji case, and also the 1998 Chandrasekhar case of Kerala. These two are the cases that the Central Bureau of Investigation is saying that even if the Karnataka government wants to revoke the general consent, it can be done only prospectively but not retrospectively. That was a judgment given in 1994 Dorji case. Right. But coming to this particular matter, today Karnataka High Court has referred this matter to the larger bench. But there are instances where the state government has withdrawn the state specific cases, like the sacrilege case in Punjab, the 2018, when the Punjab Congress government had transferred the matter sacrilege cases to the CBI, and noting that there has been no progress in those cases, Punjab government in 2018 withdrew the notification, thereby handing over the cases to CBI, and then they had taken back those cases, and the SIT or the STF in Punjab is still investigating the matter. Similar scenes we also witnessed in state of Tamil Nadu also. If you could remember, the current Tamil Nadu minister K. Nehru's brother Ramajayam was murdered, brutally murdered sometime in 2011-12, and that particular case was handed over to CBI. Now they moved the court and they have withdrawn the case from CBI. There are instances, but this time the Karnataka High Court will settle the matter once and for all. If at all if a specific case is handed over to CBI, whether the change of government can warrant a case, withdraw the case from CBI, is something that the Karnataka High Court will adjudicate.
Important points that you make there, Arvind, and thanks for the extraordinary backgrounder that you gave to this. Remember, on the one side is the case as far as the CBI is concerned, and as you say, a precedent in terms of state government taking back the case. But the other, and more political context is as far as DK Shivakumar himself is concerned and the troubles he's facing in terms of notices issued to a Kerala news channel where he has investments. So for a quick face-off between the BJP and the Congress on that case, joining me this evening, Satya Prakash, spokesperson of the Congress party, and Vijay Prasad, spokesperson of the BJP. First to you, Mr. Prasad. The Congress says this is a clear case of political vendetta and witch hunt against the Deputy Chief Minister and the State Congress President.
Very good evening, Veera. See, when the writing is on the wall and when they know that, when the Congress very well know that DK Shivakumar is on the wrong side of the law, and the Congress government and the Siddaramaiah government have gone extra mile, and they have shown enthusiasm in taking some immoral decision to protect the Shivakumar. When these are the facts, the Congress tell that it is a vendetta politics. See, having said that, if Shivakumar has not done any wrongdoings, and if he can prove himself in the court of the law, why should he be bothered whether CBI refers the rights to the High Court and ask for the case to be taken up? What is he afraid of? Why should he? See, they call vendetta politics, and the Congress is so contradictory in their own
Question to Mr. Satya Prakash.
Judgment.
Mr. Satya Prakash. No, one minute. Let me take that question to Mr. Satya Prakash. Mr. Satya Prakash, why is the Congress against taking the case back from the CBI? That's the question the BJP is asking.
What we need to understand, Veera Raghav, is BJP had malified intention when it gave this case to CBI. Supreme Court in lot of, in its judgments has said, normal cases should not...
intention?
One second,
what is
please wait.
Can you please
ask him to wait. Ask him not to come in between. Ask him to have some common sense, when I am speaking. Wait. Okay. They had a malified intention, and the Supreme Court judgments are there that all cases should not be given to CBI, and especially politically motivated cases for the benefit of ruling parties, CBI, ED should not be used. We all need to understand that the Jugalbandi of DK Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah ji in Karnataka has created havoc for BJP and Modi. Now Mr. Modi is hell-bent on pushing this DO with 2024 elections round the corner. Modi is hell-bent that he cannot go to the people of Karnataka with his report card on what he has done for people of Karnataka. Hence, BJP and Modi is arm twisting our KPCC President and Deputy Chief Minister Mr. DK Shivakumar into submission that you should not work hard for Congress victory in 2024. But people of Karnataka know the vindictive politics that BJP and Modi is playing. They will teach this BJP and Modi a lesson in 2024. Kannadigas will not take this lying down. This is a politically motivated case.
Okay, beyond the...
No. Veera.
Beyond the political... Beyond... Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, see, Veera, the Congress talks about vendetta politics. See, they're contradicting their own statements. See, in the last, if you have seen in this week, the Congress is the one who are hell-bent on doing vendetta politics and opened a case which is almost a 32-year-old case, which is long forgotten case against the Hindu Karyakarta.
No, we'll focus on the other case later, but I'm focused.
That case he was a bootlegger. He was a proclaimed offender who never came to the court. He has 16 cases against him, including bootlegging, arson, looting, disrupting communal harmony in Karnataka.
And I want to see how the Congress reacts when they want to act against the Hindu Karyakarta. So
how can a bootlegger be a Rambhat? My friend has to answer. How can a bootlegger, be a Rambhat? Ram also will be, ashamed of such a Rambhat.
Said that Satya Prakash, have patience, Have patience.
At the moment, we are talking about Shivakumar, DK Shivakumar, and the case that's
don't show your enthusiasm.
Can we just focus on the case at hand? Do you believe that this confrontation against DK... Yeah, go ahead.
See, Veera, The fact of the matter is that if DK Shivakumar has not done any wrongdoing, and if we can prove that whatever the money he has earned in a most legitimate way, why can't he go and prove in the court of law and give the documents saying that okay?
Last comments from you, Mr. Vijay Prashad.
Yeah.
See, this is not a vindictive. This is not a vendetta politics. The law is taking it to the
Vijay,
court.
last word.
The CBI is doing their job, and it is the right of the Shivakumar to go and appear.
Yes, please go ahead.
Prove that he has not done any wrongdoing.
Donkeys years to put a charge sheet. If the case was clear, what is CBI doing for the last 4 years? Why has it not put a charge sheet against DK Shivakumar? It is purely political vendetta. That Modi is afraid of DK Shivakumar.
Again, an important.
The duo of DK Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah have created havoc for Modi. And at the hustings in 2023, BJP has been reduced from 130 to 63 seats.
And Congress.
This is why Modi is afraid of DK Shivakumar.
We are completely out of time here. We are completely out of time here, and I will have to end this conversation. But in this political exchange, often substantial facts and issues get completely sidelined. We'll keep a close focus on that case. Come back to you two gentlemen when there is more clarity.